22-kilometer long Atal Setu link connect Mumbai and Navi Mumbai in 20 minutes. The bridge, which was under construction since 2018, has been made by using new material and technology for the first time in India. The 6-lane bridge, which started at Sevri in South Mumbai, crosses Thana Creek, crosses Thana and Creek and Chirli in Navi Mumbai, has been constructed at an estimated cost of 17,843 crore. The bridge is designed for a 100 km per hour speed and can operate 70,000 cars daily. It has 16.5 km marine section and 5.5 km elevated road on land. It has 16.5 km marine section and 5.5 km elevated road on land. Orthotropic steel decks OSD that can stand without piers and allow smooth passage of ships were used in construction for the first time in India. 8.5 km long noise barrier has been installed to shield the flamingos traffic. Thank you.
The fuel consumption of vehicles is drastically reduced, preserving the environment and natural resources. Indian company licensed L&T was involved in the construction of the bridge for the Trans-Harbour Link. This bridge is India's march towards progress. Atal